In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to determine if your Windows 10 operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. This is an essential piece of information that can affect which software you can run and how well your system performs. Don't worry, we're going to walk through this together in just a few simple steps, and by the end you'll feel confident in knowing your system type. To start, you'll want to click on the Start menu. This is the button usually found in the lower left corner of your screen with the Windows logo. Once you've clicked on it, your Start menu should open up. Here, you'll find a variety of applications and settings that are installed on your computer. For this task, we're focusing on the Settings option. So go ahead and select Settings from the list. It looks like a gear icon, and clicking it will open up a whole new window with various options. This area is your control center for personalizing your Windows experience and handling system tasks, so it's quite handy to familiarize yourself with. Once inside the settings window, you'll want to navigate over to the system icon. You'll find it easily as it stands on the left hand side among other icons like devices, phone, and network and internet. Click on System. This area allows you to tweak display settings, notifications, and power options, but for now we're all about your device specifications. With System now open, direct your attention to the left hand menu and find the About tab. Click on About to open a window that provides an overview of your device's specifications and operating system details. Here, it's going to reveal a lot more than just bit architecture, so you might find some of this information useful for other purposes too. Next, you need to look for device specifications. It's easy to spot on the right side of the About window. Go ahead and click on it if required, although sometimes this will automatically expand when you access the About page. This section provides detailed information about your computer's processor, RAM, and more importantly, the system type. And finally, here we are, system type. Under system type, you'll see a few keywords that indicate your Windows architecture. It will say either 32-bit operating system if that's what you have, or 64-bit operating system, alongside information about your processor compatibility. This detail is crucial as it helps determine the compatibility with various applications and system optimizations. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily confirm whether your device runs on a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows 10. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps you better understand your computer. If you liked this guide, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.